OWallet is an AI-powered digital mobile wallet application. OWallet will utilize facial recognition as an additional security layer before initiating any financial transaction. Know more about OWallet. OWallet is one of the largest online commerce platforms, offering its clients a mobile wallet to store cash and make quick transactions. OWallet will permit users to transfer funds amongst themselves within the Onpassive payment gateway ecosystem. User can pay their friends, family, and merchants with the tap of a button. Users can withdraw coins from OWallet to their bank accounts. OWallet will utilize facial recognition as an additional security layer before initiating any financial transaction. From UPI payments to mobile recharges, money transfers to online bill payments can be done effectively on OWallet. With a decent user interface, it has offered the most secure and fastest online transaction experience. It also has notable highlights where it permits its users to set reminders for dues, money transfers, and view mini statement for the transactions done already. OWallet is broadly accepted by most merchants that accept mobile wallet payments. You can likewise avail of the subscription activation of products through OWallet using OCoins. OWallet is an ideal application that permits you to save money through its various promotions and unique offers. Key features of OWallet: built for hassle-free online payments for the Onpassive ecosystem with all the features and rewards you love. OWallet is an AI-powered digital mobile wallet application offering numerous features: peer-to-peer, peer-to-peer payments, safe and secure, fraud detection feature, instant payments between wallets, merchant payments via contactless technologies, NFC or QR code scanning, easy and fast self-registration, stores credit and debit card information. Much more to come, so please keep in touch. A Bill Must production. Please get back to the person that connected you here.